Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. I am Payal Monga, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to do the book work and question answers of chapter number 6, type of clothes. Okay? So now let's start. First of all, we are doing page number 37. Okay? Look at the pictures shown below carefully. Read the given clues and name the people involved. So here you can see some pictures. Okay, so these people are involved in some work that is related to clothes. Okay, and here are some clues. So first we will see this picture, then we have to write here that from which profession they are related to. Okay, so first picture is this: I dye the clothes, I am a. So who dyes the cloth? That is a dyer. Okay, and here you can see other picture: I sell clothes, I am a draper. Who sells cloth is a draper. Okay, and the third picture: I stitch clothes, I am a tailor. Who stitch clothes? That is a tailor. Okay, and here I wash clothes, I am a washerman. Who wash clothes? That is a washerman. I dry clean clothes, I am a dry cleaner. Okay, so this is how you will do this page. Now we are doing page number 40. Okay, match the dresses with the occasions or the time when they are usually worn. Write the numbers given against the dresses shown in the empty boxes provide next to the correct description. So first you will see these dresses and here you will read the description, and after reading the descriptions you will match which dress is suitable for this purpose. Okay, to attend the office. So which type of clothes we wear at the office? We wear this type of clothes. Okay, blazer and pant, right? So this is number 6. So here we will write the same number 6. We attend the office wearing this type of clothes. Okay, to go to a wedding. So which type of clothes we wear at a wedding? So here you can see this is a very pretty dress, right? So this type of clothes we wear at a wedding. So what is the number is? Number 5. So in this box we will write here number 5. For jogging, what kind of clothes we wear when we go for jogging? We wear track suits, right? Something like this. This is a track suit. So this is number 1. So here we will write number 1. In school, what we wear in the school? We wear school uniform, right? So this is school uniform. And what is the number? Number 2. So here we will write number 2. When it rains, what we wear when it rains? We wear raincoat to prevent ourselves from getting wet. So here we are going to write number 3. Okay, at the bedtime. So what we wear at bedtime? We wear night suits. This is a picture of a night suit, right? So here we are going to write number 4. We wear night suit at the bedtime. Okay, so in this boxes you will write the correct number. Okay, after watching the dress, then you will match this dress is suitable here or not, and which dress is suitable, then here you will write that number. Okay, now we are doing page number 42. So take the correct options. First you read this question and here are 3 options given. So which option is right, then you will tick that answer. Okay, first question is: in winters we wear woolen clothes as the weather is wet, cool or hot. In winter weather is cool. So the B option is right and here you will tick this. Okay, question number 2: We wear our uniform to school, at home, or to parties. We wear a school uniform to school. So here we are going to take the option A. Number 3, an example of an artificial fiber is silk, nylon, or cotton. So artificial fiber is nylon. As we know that silk and cotton are natural fibers, right? Number 4 is silkworms feed on leaves of a mulberry tree, peepal tree, or tulsi plant. So we know that silkworms feed on the leaves of mulberry tree. Okay? Now fill in the blanks. Cotton, wool and silk are all natural fibers or dyes that are fibers. Fibers is the right answer. So here you will fill the blank. Okay. Number 2, we get silk from silkworms or mulberry. So the answer is we get silk from silkworms. Number 3, we get wool from the hair of cotton or sheep. Answer is sheep. Number 4, we wear woolen clothes in summers or winters. We wear woolen clothes in winters, right? Now here you will have to fill these boxes, okay, from these words. So choose the right word and fill in these boxes, okay? Type of fibers. So we know that there are two type of fibers, natural and artificial, right? So what are the natural fibers? Cotton, wool and silk, right? And what are the artificial fibers? Rayon, polyester and nylon, right? Rayon, polyester and nylon. And now we are doing page number 43. So we are going to do this question in the notebook, okay? And circle the odd one out. So here 4 words are given and we have to circle which one is odd, which one is not suitable with these 3 words, okay? So first, raincoat, umbrella, gumboots and gloves. So we know that in rains we wear raincoat, umbrella and gumboots, not the gloves. We wear gloves in the winters. So this one is odd one. This one not suits with these 3, right? So here we are going to circle this gloves. After this, sari, dhoti, salwar, dupatta. So we know that women wear sari, salwar and dupatta. They don't wear dhoti. This is the clothes of a man, right? Men wear dhotis and women wear sari, salwar and dupatta. So this one is odd. So we are going to circle this. Now silk, rayon, nylon and polyester. So now we know that rayon, nylon and polyester are artificial fibers and silk is natural fiber. So this one is odd, right? So we are going to encircle this silk. Now in the empty circles provided against the pictures given below, write the numbers 1 to 4 to sequence them in the correct order. So we know that how cotton clothes are made, right? So you have to give the numbers in the correct orders. So first of all we get the cotton balls from the cotton plant, right? Then we spun them into thread, right? And after that we weave the threads into looms and convert them into cotton fabric, right? And then when the fabric is ready, then we stitch them to make clothes. So first, second, third and fourth, okay? Now identify the colored clothes shown in the pictures below, write their names. So here we have to write the name of the colored cloth which they are wearing, okay? So in the first picture, which is the colored cloth? This is blouse, And in second picture, these boots, right? These are gum boots. And here, these are short, right? Which is the colored cloth? This is short. And what is this man wearing? This blue one? This is kurta. So here the bookwork of this chapter is done. So now we are going to do the notebook work of chapter number 6, type of clothes. Okay. So now your notebooks are available at the bookstore, so you can get it from there. This is your EVS notebook and this is the front page. Okay. And inside your notebook, one side is plain and one side is with lines. Okay. One side is plain and one is with lines. So when you start the work in your notebook, first of all, here you will write date, here you will write page number, then chapter number, chapter 6, and chapter name, type of clothes. Now we are going to do the question answers of chapter number 6. Question number 1, why do we need to wear clothes? Answer, we need to wear clothes to cover our body. Okay, and then you will leave one line. Then question number 2, why do we wear cotton clothes in summers? We wear cotton clothes in summers because they keep us cool. Okay, now question number 3, what do we use to prevent ourselves from getting wet? So answer is, we wear raincoat and gum boots and use umbrellas to prevent ourselves from getting wet. Okay, then you will leave one line here. Then question number 4, what are synthetic fibers? Answer is, synthetic fibers are made in factories using chemicals like polyester, rayon and nylon. Okay, so these are the question answers of chapter number 6, type of clothes. And in the end of the video, I will attach the screenshots of bookwork and question answers. So kids, our chapter is done now. Notebook work and bookwork both are complete. We'll do this well on time. And stay safe, stay healthy. See you next time. Bye bye.